Narrator Max asked, what if all of the sun's visible light were focused into a 1-meter wide laser by the time it reached Earth? What would happen? You wouldn't survive. Not slowly, not painfully. You'd instantly stop being biology and start being physics. Even a sliver of the sun's output, focused into a single square meter, delivers far more energy than Earth ever sees in normal sunlight. The moment that beam strikes the atmosphere, it heats the air to millions of degrees and rips it into plasma. That plasma emits intense X-rays, which in turn heat more air, creating more plasma, and a storm of extreme infrared and ultraviolet radiation. Round the impact point, everything melts, then vaporizes. Buildings, soil, plants, people turn to gas and hot debris. The ground itself begins to be stripped away like the surface of a wound being flayed. People on the opposite side of the planet aren't safe either. The atmosphere will fill with ionized gas and glowing radiation. An incandescent, planet-wide twilight. Blasted material and dust lofted into space will scatter and reflect that furnace of light and heat back toward Earth, baking regions far beyond the blast radius. This shell of heat and light expands and engulfs the globe. The moon would go dark at first, the sun's light diverted, then become lit by the firestorm. Its reflected glow intense enough to scorch exposed surfaces. That light lasts only moments before the world is wrapped in a continuous, searing dawn. If the beam can't track Earth, the planet might rotate out of it in minutes, leaving the core intact. But the surface toll would be absolute. Nearly everyone incinerated, much of the atmosphere and outer layers lost, cities vaporized. What's left would be a wounded, silent planet, a permanent monument to a single catastrophic idea.